Fan blade, removal and installation. An individual fan blade can be changed easily if it is damaged. In this case, the fan blade must be changed with the same moment weight. First, remove the inlet cone. With the inlet cone removed, the front blade retaining ring is now accessible to remove it. Remove the 22 bolts which secure the annulus fillers between the fan blades and the 36 bolts which maintain the front blade retaining ring. Next, install puller bolts at 6 hole positions. And tighten them. Using these puller bolts, release the front blade retaining ring from the Stage 1 fan disc. Turn the fan so that the blade to be removed is at 12 o'clock position. Then, remove the 2 annulus fillers of the corresponding blade. Pull the blade forward along the dovetail slot and remove it. Note that the moment weight of the fan blade is identified on the bottom face of the blade root. For the installation, align the replacement blade with the disc dovetail and install the 2 annulus fillers to their initial position. Reinstall the front blade retaining ring and secure it. Next, install the 22 bolts which fix the annulus filler. Finally, reinstall the inlet cone and leave the work area, making certain that it is clean and clear of tools and other items.